very well. I was very pleased from start to finish. I mean, they were very professional. They came in, started, got everything, covered up and ready to go, and then just started working and got it all done. I was very pleased. Absolutely. Like I said, from start to finish, they were just very knowledgeable. I could tell that they were very professional and knew what they were doing, and they just, took off and got everything done. And just very neat about the whole thing. Very organized is what I was impressed with. They knew exactly what to do and when to do it, and got it all done. And I was surprised that they got it all done in one day. I didn't know what to expect, but was very pleased with the whole thing. What a difference. I mean, just coming into the driveway, and looking at them, I'm like, oh, I just love them. I love them. They're great. Anybody who was looking for a company to put their windows in, I would highly recommend Paradise Exteriors, because, like I said, from start to finish, they were the professionals that got the job done, and to my pleasure. I really am pleased, very much pleased.